Hey guys, welcome to the third video of our applying to American universities video. In this video, I'll guide you. First, let me tell you what we did in the previous videos. So, we finished the profile section, and yeah, we made a coalition account. This is very important if you are applying to America. Most of the colleges you have to apply through here. So, now we are getting to the fun part. Let me first remove this to give you the raw image of what you would see. Let's keep this kind of to show you further. Now yes, so let's say you want to apply to MIT. No, not MIT. Harvard University. So you would just simply type Harvard right here, add it to your list. Now if you want to apply to let's say Grinnell College, now you would find nothing here. That is because you can't apply to Grinnell College through coalition. You may be able to apply wait, I think I spelled it wrong, something like this. Yes, so as you see here, you may be able to apply to Grinnell College from common application. These are some of the disadvantages of coalition. It does not have a wide range of colleges. This is why I suggested common application at first. But do not worry, you can make a common application in a similar way. Easily you can switch to common application at this point. Now I've listed Harvard University. Now I would start my application. Now you have to, if you are a high school student right now pursuing your 12th grade, you would click first year student. If you are currently in a college or university and would like to start at this particular university as a sophomore, which means in the second year, so then you would click a transfer student. A first year student would be the majority choice. So yes, if you would like to share your scores with Harvard University, you can. If you click yes and continue, your SAT scores would SAT or ACT scores would be sent right now to Harvard University. So maybe click no, you can send it later, or it's up to you. If you have an exceptional score, maybe they could even contact you and guide you through your application. Now you would start your application. Now we finished our profile in the previous videos. You would go to terms. Now here you would select a term. Most American universities start in September, so fall means September, fall 2022. Now you can apply through the regular decision or early action. Now early action here means it is non-binding, which means just apply early and you would get a decision earlier. So if you apply in early action, you would get a decision by mid-December. If you apply by regular decision, you would get a result by the beginning of April. So if you are in a haste, so maybe apply early action, but it does have its disadvantages. Some universities now they have early decision. Now early action and early decision are very different. Let me clarify that. So very different. Early action means you're just applying early to get a decision in December of the same year. Now early decision is very different, be sure of this. You are applying early to get a decision in December of the same year, December of the same year, and this and is very important. If you get accepted, you have to join this university. You can't back out, you can't join any other university. If you have applied through early decision in a particular university and you are accepted, you will have to join this university no matter what. If you have to continue your if you have to study further, you have to join this university. No other American university would be able to take you if you are accepted in this university, that is. And there is early decision 1 and early decision 2. So in an early decision 1 you get your result in December. In early decision 2 you get your result in February. So yeah, but if you love a particular university, you should definitely go for this, and you're sure that you would go to this university. This now definitely increases your chances. It does increase your chances. And let's say you have applied early decision in a particular university and you want to apply regular decision in several other universities. You can definitely do that. Now your admission into this university is not confirmed, so you have the right to apply to several universities, and that is suggested. So now I have told you what the difference is. Regular decision is regular, so there is no binding. This phenomena we call this binding. Alright, so be aware. I will use this word further, binding, and this is called non-binding. It binds you towards the university. Now this is a part which gives you headaches. Now this is probably the most hardest part of your application, I would say. Getting recommendation letters. Now if you are an international student, first step would be to explain to your teachers how this works. They would be confused, so you have to be good at explaining. So now you can choose to provide these documents right now, or you can click this and continue and provide these documents later. Now as an international student, I would suggest that you provide these later. If you provide them later through email, that is a much easier process. Don't worry, I'll guide you how to provide it by email. But if you want to provide it by the portal itself, the coalition portal, then you would have to click at request new mid-year grades. Now here, first, this is a very complicated process. Now first you would have to, yes, so in order to get recommendation letters through coalition, you have to click at home and then click at contacts. Now click at invite new contact. You have to type your name, the name of the counselor, or maybe the teacher you want the recommendation letter from. So also add the email address. Now you have to specify if this is your teacher, the one which would be providing the academic recommendation, or your counselor. In most cases, this is something like this. You can choose two. So if your counselor is providing you recommendation letters, choose these two. If your teacher is providing you recommendation letters, choose these two. So yes, you have to first invite them, then they will join coalition through your link, and then you would have to request them from here. Let me you would have to request yes, you would have to go there, and then when they have accepted your invitation and created a coalition account, you would click here request, and a name would appear here. You would click that, then a request would go to them. This is a very complicated process. uh, most teachers would not be willing to do such hard work. Some would be, some would not be. So maybe you should try this the email way. Now I suggest the email way. Don't worry, I'll tell you how to do that later. So I got you covered, don't worry about that. But if you want to provide it through this portal, I have guided you on how to do that. Convincing the teachers is something you have to do yourself. Now this is the last part of any application. Most universities have some application questions. I'll cover this in the next video. This is also somewhat an important part of your application, so you should be careful while filling this. So let's be stay tuned for the next video. Thank you for watching.